Hi everybody and welcome to True Want. So here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It is called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I thank you for subscribing, ringing that bell so you're in the know, and not forgetting to do that thumbs up. Okay, guys. This is always exciting for me, but this time it is really exciting because this is the first paid for version of my new account that I have on IPSY. I had two accounts on BoxyCharm. So when they transferred over my information from BoxyCharm over to IPSY, it opened up a second account for me. And when I had that second account that put the box over, I decided to add a second GLAMBAG. So I'm excited about this to be able to share with you. So this month it is April 2023, and they're saying anything is possible. And inside here, sometimes we get information on the products and things like that, but this time they're just giving us some information on the card about how to be a conscientious beauty consumer, which is always good information. But as you know on my channel, because I really am more of an informative channel, I already have my notes about the products, the pricing, and all of that already typed up and here for us to go through. Now, this really hasn't happened to me before, but I know a few of you have mentioned it to me. This channel, we're very lucky, gets PR, and I've been getting PR for a long time from this channel. It is amazing that IPSY has really recognized this channel very, very early. So I did a huge 45-minute video at the beginning when I got that PR package where I try on all of the products in that video and previous add-ons and things that I got in the box that I didn't have the opportunity to share with you that I put on my face. I share all of that at the end of the video as well. So that's a really strong, informative video that I will have linked down below so you'll be able to see all the products in motion. All right. This time around, I got this bag in my bag as opposed to the regular one that normally should be coming in our bag. So this sometimes happens when their shipment doesn't arrive on time. So instead of holding back the actual bag, they end up putting another alternative bag in there. And I'm not upset because this one is absolutely stunning. And I think this was from one of their mystery bags that I never got. So this is a really unique, really happy. This is not one I have in my collection, but I will show you the one that was in the PR package. So I'll be able to show that to you here. It is fully lined with the IPSY name inside. And on the little snap here, it has the IPSY as well. So I know a lot of people get disappointed when the bag that they advertise doesn't show up. But I know they've written in the past when a couple of you have shared with me that this has happened to you because we're a community here on True Wants. So you guys share in the comments and I reply to all of my comments. But it's important because we also read each other's comments. So it's important that we share this type of information, that sometimes the bag, very rarely, doesn't come, but when it does, when I've written to them in the past, when this has happened to me, I think only once before in all the years, they said they were waiting on a shipment, and you can write to them, and they usually will end up putting 600 points or so into your point section that you'll be able to, when the bags come in, they sometimes end up putting it in the point section so you'll be able to get it with the points that they send to you. So if your bag doesn't come in, just based on my experience, I always recommend that you write anything that disappoints you in your bag, but especially if the bag doesn't show up, definitely write to customer service and then you'll see how they handle it for you as well. So I'm just, as always, I'm a consumer like you and I always like sharing that information. But I pulled up the bag so that you guys can see this was in the PR package. It is a beautiful canvas design. Really impressed with this bag. And then on the back here, it says, look good, do good. And then on the name IPSY only shows up on the end here where you have it on the pulley tag. And it is a full zipper, but it is not lined like the other bag at all. So that is what the bag that you should be getting in this one. But like I said, sometimes this happens, but I like that they don't hold the bag back. but they still give you the opportunity, usually within the point section when the bags do arrive, that you'll be able to still pick it up. So the first item that, the choice that I chose in here, I'm going to be sharing with you at the end. It is a full-size item, but this is one where you end up paying for this subscription $13 plus the $1.99 handling fee. So it's a $15 free ship in the USA bag, and you get to make one choice. All these other items were chosen for me. Starting with Goldfaden MD, this is a facial detox clarifying and clearing mask. They also have a code here that sometimes shows up when I do my research, and they have a promo called IPSY 20531 to receive 20% off discount on your order from the website of this brand, Goldfaden MD. This is a deluxe sample, and this is a great way for you to see if you enjoy this brand as much as I do. It is a face mask. This is a purifying mask that helps pull out the dirt and debris from way down deep, and it also is infused with a soothing blend of zinc oxide, sulfur, and will help to cleanse and help minimize the appearance of your pores without overdrying your skin. They're saying to smooth on a thin layer to your entire face up to 4 times per week. They want you to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash the mask off with water. This is a vegan and cruelty-free brand. Now, about the founder, who is Dr. Gary Goldfaden, he is a dermatologist for more than 40 years. He is a physician, and all his products are physician strength products. They are also innovative, result-driven, and great for those with sensitive skin. Plus, they're inspired by nature and made from plant cells as well as antioxidant-rich botanicals, so they're extra healthy for us as well. As I've shared with you, I've had a lot of opportunity to get this in our boxes. And when we had the opportunity to choose it in a full size, because I've tried it in these sample sizes, they were definitely my picks for the full size. Just based on the information that I just shared with you, it will get you excited to be able to try this type of skincare in your products too. I have everything from his serums to his masks. They're all ones that I really, really enjoy. The next one is another fantastic brand, and these are fantastic size samples for you to be able to learn more about these brands. And this is from this brand called Hey Honey. And this one is called the Come Clean, and it says it is a propolis and Dead Sea mineral facial scrub. And this is also a deluxe sample. It's 15 ml. This is an exfoliant, and this will slough off our dead skin cells with this. And it is powered, that helps, this sea salt powered scrub will help unclog our pores and smooth out your complexion. It simply says to gently massage a small amount over our cleansed, damp skin, and then the salts will end up dissolving into a milky lather that you can simply rinse off with warm water. It is made with all natural ingredients, and it's also cruelty-free. And Hey Honey, about the brand, the products are all infused with honey, as well as this propolis, and it's one of the most potent antiseptic and antibacterial ingredients on the planet. And they're saying this is one of the favorites of Cleopatra, which is honey. So that is what this looks like here. Everything that I have tried from this brand has also been an absolute luxury to be able to try. And again, with these sample sizes, we're getting enough that you will be able to try them out. And then when you have the option to choose them as a full-size item, you're choosing from a more educated mindset. So that is actually, let me put it over here. So that is the next item that is in here. The next one is one that I got in my PR package, so I'm going to leave this one closed, but I will definitely be showing you inside with the one that I've opened up. So this will end up going into my gifts for later. The one that I have here is the one that I tried on and I had the opportunity to share with you. This is a mini mascara. It is in the number 2 from the brand called Real Her. And this one, his brand, he has always these inspirational names on it, and it's called I Am Beautiful. And this one here is a deluxe sample. This is a mascara, and they're saying this mascara helps your lashes look longer, darker, and fuller without clumping and smudging, and it features vitamin E and peptides to help your lashes stay soft and healthy. You start the wand at the base of your lashes, and then you comb upwards in a zigzag motion until you reach the tips. This is a PETA, P-E-T-A, certified cruelty-free, and Real Her is all about expressing your individuality. They're saying essentially the only rule is to wear it how you want to. You can expect much more than a pretty face. This is a way to share your sense of style as well as personality. And this is a father who, when he had a daughter, decided to create the brand. And when he did, he always puts, like I mentioned, these inspirational as well as aspirational quotes on all of his products. So like I mentioned in the PR that I got, I had the opportunity to try these products and I'm wearing them in there. So I really suggest that you take the time to watch that video. That video is doing very well, but it's also one that I spent a lot of time because I don't edit. So I make sure to share all the information up front and have the opportunity to try the products so that I can give you these mini reviews. This one here is a really unique design where it goes from small to larger, but it is also I'm hoping the camera picks it up without me going too close so you guys can see. It has these little spikes in the brush. And what I found this did, it gave me so much length, I could not believe it. But as I was playing with it more, and I did, I think 2 coats only, I was shocked by it. So that's why I'm suggesting that you watch that video so you'll be able to see it up close because I do share it all with you there. All right, the next item that we got in here is one that I always choose in my add-ons. And I share this with you all the time when we go through all the products. Also, when we go through the add-ons here, I share with you when I've had the opportunity to try products. Now, I was a Tatcha girl before IPSY, and I used to get it at great deals on the shopping channels. And every time that they had a today's special or those specials that they run for one day, I not only would order it, I would always go on what they call an auto delivery, so that every few months I would get replenished at that discounted price. I don't have to do that anymore because of IPSY. These are usually in the 350 section, and they allow you to buy at least up to 3 of any item. And this is one that I always suggest to do that, because even with the 3 of them at 350, you're getting almost the size of the full size, because these are 10 mil. At such a discounted price, you will fall in love with this brand at these prices. This one is called the Dewy Skin Cream. It is a deluxe sample. It is a moisturizer. It says, true to its name, this luxurious cream contains ceramides, algae extract, and purple rice extract to majorly up your skin's dew factor. It's ideal for dry, dull skin in need of some extra moisturizing and love. I'm a combo girl, and I find this is a really beautiful lightweight cream. Scoop a pearl size, and you need such a small amount. You have to treat this like a luxury cream. It's a pearl size amount of the cream from the jar, and then massage it into your face and neck as well as your décolletage in upward strokes. It can be used daily, both morning and night, and even under makeup. It is a cruelty-free brand. They never test on animals. Now, about the brand, it is rooted in the classical Japanese beauty rituals. Tatcha took the time to remaster the time-tested ingredients into clean formulas that transform inside and out. It is such a phenomenal brand, and her products are so luxury. And when you wear them and you put them on, you will feel the luxury. It is just fantastic. So the fact that we get the opportunity to get these higher end brands and in the 350 section or in a $15 bag, it is such an absolute treat. Now, the next one here is what I ended up choosing for myself, and this ended up being a full-size item. And this on its own is a $16 value. So again, my choice item more than paid for the box before I even had the opportunity to try all this amazing high-end skincare and a mascara plus a bag. This one is called the Glow Up Lip Balm. It is in the Watermelon Waves. There's also a promo code on this called IPSY GLO that will give me 20% off if I choose to place an order on Orza's website. Like I mentioned, this is a full-size item, and sometimes we get lucky in this bag because they advertise it as 5 deluxe sample sizes that we sometimes end up getting, more often than not, a full-size item. This is a lip balm, and I tried this, and I will give you my thoughts on it in just a sec. It says, ride through this wave of hydration of watermelon flavored juiciness when you use this Luxe Lip Balm. Your dry, damaged lips will thank you, as a watermelon extract, shea butter, and rice germ oil help to replenish your chapped skin and restore its soft feel. Slather this on anytime your pout feels parched. This is a vegan and cruelty-free, and it's made with all natural ingredients. Now, Orza, about the brand, creates high-quality skincare products that nourish and transform your skin. Now, I got introduced to this brand through IPSY in the 350 section with those quads that we saw were full size $20 on their website. And every time I had the opportunity to grab them, I did, because I was blown away by the actual product. So when I saw another product from Orza, I could not wait to get my hands on it. So this is their Glow Up Lip Balm, and it is in Watermelon Waves. That is the front. And this is the information that is on the back. I always do my best when we film down here to try to give all the information that is on the back here as well for you guys. When I opened this up and I tried it on, the applicator is really, really small. And I'm so used to these larger applicators that we've been getting that this took a couple of dips to actually get a lot of the product on my lips. But there is no stickiness. You do not feel like you have anything on your lips, but it is very hydrating. So I'm going to go in a couple of times like I did, so you'll be able to hopefully see that there's a little bit of a pink undershine to it, but it is not sticky at all. It has that beautiful watermelon scent to it. And as I have it here on my lips as I'm talking to you, there is no stickiness. My lips feel very hydrated and they just feel absolutely, absolutely delicious. So this is the Orza product that I ended up using as my choice item. And like I said, this was a $16 value on its own. I always enjoy getting this bag because not only do we get a bonus bag, we also get to try so many of the products in the sample sizes. And like I always say with skincare, it is so important that you guys have the opportunity to try it before it becomes a choice item. And then when you fall in love with the product or don't, you know to use your choice on the item or not. However, with mascaras, I always share with you that the brush and the actual formula that is inside here is the exact same size as in the full size. So you learn that if you like this, if it gave you raccoon eyes, if it gave you everything that you wanted out of a mascara, so before you go out, and even if it goes on sale in the retail world, you have had the opportunity to try it in a $15 bag, or usually these are also available to us in our 350 section, which is where I have tried so many mascaras. Because in the past, I used to go to Sephora, and these little sample sizes used to cost me $10. So that's why I love IPSY. It has introduced me to so many brands, and hopefully it has to you as well. Please make sure to share in the comments down below. And don't forget that the bag this month should look more like this than the one that I got here. And if you didn't get the bag, just like me, I'm going to be writing to them and tell them that I didn't get the bag. And hopefully, like in the past, they will end up giving me those 600 points that when this ends up showing up in the points section, which is what they did last time, I was able to pick up a bag that I didn't get because they said due to shipping problems that a lot of their bags didn't arrive, they made them available to us in the points section. So hopefully that is how it will be handled again. If it's anything different, you know that I will share that with you in another video. And that's it for this video, guys. So take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in the next one. Bye for now.